Most people get this wrong. They assume all crypto exchanges are the same, but Bittrex has some unique features that make it worth a closer look. I've been using Bittrex for a few months, and here's what I found. Bittrex is a US-based exchange that supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. One thing that stood out immediately was the user interface. It's clean, fast, and simple enough for beginners, but still has advanced features for seasoned traders. Trading fees are competitive, starting at 0.25% per trade, and reducing as your trading volume increases. That's fairly standard, but Bittrex security measures are where it really shines. The exchange uses industry-leading security protocols, including cold storage for most assets and two-factor authentication for every login. In my experience, withdrawals were smooth and completed quickly, which isn't always the case with other platforms. Another feature I appreciated is the real-time market data and charting tools. You can set limit orders, stop-loss orders, and monitor your portfolio in real time. However, the exchange doesn't offer a lot of educational resources or customer support options, so beginners might need to supplement learning elsewhere. The downside, Bittrex doesn't offer a bank-style account for holding fiat currencies long-term, and the verification process can be slow for first-time users. Also, if you are looking for margin trading or staking rewards, you'll need to use other platforms. Overall, Bittrex is best for crypto enthusiasts who want a secure, reliable, and versatile platform for spot trading. If you value security and a wide range of coins over extra perks, this is a solid choice. In conclusion, the surprising truth is that a secure, straightforward trading platform can actually save you more money and headaches than chasing flashy features. Bittrex delivers on that promise. Subscribe for more honest crypto exchange reviews that help you trade smarter and safer.